Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing so well. Today, judging by the title, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with the Beautylish Lucky Bag. Yes, I bought it the third time and hopefully I do some more of these Beautylish Lucky Bags. I hope that they continue doing it. I love getting this Beautylish Lucky Bag because it allows me to try out different products. If I've not tried out a product, then I can rely on Beautylish giving me something completely different each year. So if you haven't watched my previous video on the Beautylish Lucky Bag, I will put it up. I think it's this side. It might be this side. I don't know. It might be this side. Yeah, I'll put it up there and you guys can check it out. And if you want to sign up for the Beautylish Lucky Bag, please look at the link down below. You can click it and you can sign up for next year. And also I'll have a blog post on this as well, just discussing what the Beautylish Lucky Bag is all about, because it is a Japanese tradition. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this open and let's get this started. Before I do that, if you are new, hi, my name is Bobby. I have a blog named Spill the Tea Bobs, which obviously will be down below. And if you ain't new, hi, thank you for tuning in, and let's just get started on this Beautylish Lucky Bag. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna get this open right now. I don't know what is inside. Last year you guys saw my expression. I was so excited, so I'm a little bit like nervous this time. When I got this this year, they actually put it like behind the bins because I didn't hear the door when they knocked on, so I had to go and pick it up. Luckily I didn't have to like wait, you know, for the next day or anything like that, but I know I'm probably like the last person. So yes, just a note, they do Beautylish do the XL lucky bags, but only for, I think it's for US only. I'm not sure about Canada, but I know it's just US. For international customers, you only can get the normal size one, which is, how much is this one? Oh my gosh, how can I forget how much it cost? Overall, I paid, I think, $108. That's including with shipping. I had to pay for customs altogether. But that was during the process. I didn't have to do customs once it got to the UK. So that's what I love about Beautylish. I could just sort that out straight and get it done. But yeah, I'll put the price on the screen because I don't know how I forgot the price. But yeah, let's just open this. And I got the dark to deep package. They did have the fair to medium package as well, but the dark to deep sold out like quickly. Literally, it sold out so quickly. So this is the package. I hope you guys can see this. This is what it looks like. This year, the packaging, it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, if I get you guys really close up on this, if you can see that, like the packaging looks super cute. I think that is adorable. Like, what? And on here it says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year's custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's new lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure, shipped to grant good fortune in the coming year. So that is super cute. Sorry, like when the lighting is like blinding me, I cannot see. So that is why I was just like, what does that say? But yeah, I'm gonna get this open. We got all this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the first lot. I am so scared, so I've got all this. So nervous, like I'm literally so nervous. Oh, I got a Wayne Goss brush again. Thank you. Oh my gosh, we got another Wayne Goss brush. And this, oh, it's like, I don't know what kind of hairs it is, but it's super soft. So this is the Wayne Goss number 16 brush that looks like this. It's got white hairs this time, which I've never got, so that is really nice. That is super cool. I guess this is an eye brush, so I'm gonna check to see what this does, but I'm guessing it's an eye brush because I can't imagine using this elsewhere unless it's for something else. I don't know, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but so I guess this is to do with skincare. Don't know what it is, and I don't even know how to open it. Trusty scissors. I don't know what this is. Honestly, this is okay. So I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a cream. Used once every other day in AM or PM. SS can be used more frequently if desired. SS is not intended to remove makeup. If makeup is present, remove first with LVCE or suitable makeup remover before using. Apply to the entire face and massage gently. Okay, so I guess this is a cream. Okay, thank you. It's brand new, so it's not been opened. So, I'll let you guys know what this is because I'm intrigued. Like, I'm really intrigued to find out what that is. It's obviously some sort of cream that you use before your makeup. So that's cool. No. Guys, I got a Natasha Denona palette again. And it's the new one. What? You guys, what? Oh my goodness, like what? No way. This is the Holiday Natasha Denona palette. Guys, I'm having a moment right now because what in the... I cannot believe this. This is crazy. Okay, let's open it on this side. So it's the... Oh my gosh. So I got this holiday palette in the number 2 Aries. And it's the holiday palette and it looks stunning. The packaging is way better than the other one. Oh my gosh. If you guys see those colours, I really want to swatch them. Oh my gosh. Guys, I got this. What? No way. Like, my mind is like, what? This is crazy and so cool at the same time. I'm like, whoa. Oh, I got another one. So I got the clean apothecary. Okay, please don't mind my pronunciation, but yeah, this is in lavender, and I got the rose one. Ooh, this one smells so much better. I like this one. So it's basically a brush cleaner shampoo, and you literally swirl your brushes in there. The rose one, I didn't mind, but now that I've got lavender, I love the smell of this, so I think I'm gonna prefer this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And I got a Stila. Oh my, what? I got a Stila Glitter Glow. Oh my goodness! Is this the same? Is this the same? Is this the same? Yeah, this is in Bronzed Belle. Oh my gosh. So you guys, if you don't know, I have these already, but I haven't got the shade in Bronzed Belle. This is super cool. Oh my gosh. Beautylish, you're making me smile every time. Like, I'm gonna have to just purchase so much on your website. Like, what? This is definitely a lucky bag. So the total value is supposed to be $150, and right now I think we're like getting near there. We're actually getting near there. Like, I think we've kind of crossed that. So this is the Celestial Powder. This is Kevin Aquan. They have sent me Kevin Aquan before, which is super cool. So this is a highlighting powder. Yeah, this is Kevin Aquan, guys. So you get this velvet pouch again, and this is in the shade Sunlight. Oh wow, that is stunning, guys. That is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's like a bronzy gold. That is super cool. Oh my gosh, the idea of doing like the dark to medium, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, Beautylish, you're gonna make me cry. Like, what? Oh guys, I think that is it, which is super cool. That was nice and quick. So that is all that I got, and I'm thinking like all this must have been like 150, like just a little bit over, because what I got is incredible. Like, I don't know what this is, but I'm intrigued to find out, and I'll probably like have like a little description saying what it is. Like, I'll find out. But wow, thank you Beautylish for, oh my gosh, thank you Beautylish for sending these to me, and like choosing like these, like, I can't even call them random because this is absolutely amazing. But thank you for sending these products. I'm so grateful. And yes, guys, I did pay for this. I'm just like so happy because wow, like I'm speechless. Okay, I'm gonna cut it short now, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, evening, or all night, you know, or morning, even the morning if you're watching this in the morning. Okay, but yeah, and I hope to see you guys very soon, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and I hope you guys tune in next time. So see you guys, bye.